guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use Canva in order to edit and customize a PDF file. Imagine the following scenario. Okay, I have this report right here and I would like to change the name of the website right here into the report. How to change this text using Canva for free? This is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, make sure you have downloaded your PDF report. Okay, here's my report, downloaded. Now open your Canva. You're gonna be into a page just like this. Find the option to upload. Okay, so click on upload. You're gonna have two options. I'm gonna upload files. Select the PDF file and opens it, or just drag and drop the file into the Canva. It works as well. You're gonna see it loading. After it loads, all we'll have to do is click into the PDF and Canva will understand all of the texts on the PDF. Just wait a moment, and as you can see right here, we can customize the text. For example, just like this, I can change this text right here. I can change the numbers right here in the case that I want. It's all up to you and to your needs. Okay, you can customize every single part of the PDF. Okay, you can even drag and drop things out of the content. You can enter other layouts, you can enter other contents and create the layout and the contents as you need. After doing your change, hit the share button into the upper right corner of your screen, go to download. You're gonna be able to see a couple of options to download. Change the download format to PDF, up to you, up to the options you have right here. Click on download and you're gonna be downloading a PDF file, all into a simple, fast and effective method. And as you can see, it's a customized version of the previously PDF. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you tomorrow. All the best.